Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Dear students, yesterday we have taken up the introduction and the types of pollution. Now, today we are going to study about the detail of all these pollutions, their causes, and their effects. So, let's get started. Yes, this is a condition of Mother Earth due to the pollution. Let's see, you know it very well. Pollution occurs when harmful substances called pollutants are released into the environment, such as land, air, and water. Now, dear students, do you know what are these pollutants? These pollutants are nothing but the substances that cause pollution. So, pollution is the addition of harmful substances into air, land, and water. The harmful substances that cause pollution are called pollutants. Now, dear students, have you ever thought why did this pollution occur? I told you in the yesterday's lecture that human beings depend upon environment for their existence. With increasing population and technological development, आप लोगों को पता है हमारी कंट्री की पॉपुलेशन, not only our country, the world's population is increasing. And even there is a lot of technological development. So we are overusing our natural resources. As a result, what is happening? हमारे जितने भी natural resources हैं वो बहुत overuse हो रहे हैं. So dear students, due to this increase in population, demand for food has also grown greatly. Now this has resulted in more and more forest being cleared in order to bring more land under cultivation. आप लोगों को पता है अब जब हम लोग यहाँ पर डिफॉरेस्टेशन करेंगे, बहुत सारे ट्रीज़ को काट देंगे ताकि हम लोग यहाँ पर बिल्डिंग्स बना सकें. ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा रीज़न है जिसके कारण से यहाँ पर पॉल्यूशन होता है. Not only this, excessive use of chemical fertilizers, pesticides are also being extensively used to increase the agricultural production. But what it is leading to? It is leading to land pollution. Dear students, this rapid urbanization and the industrialization has led to the exploitation of our environment. Do you know what is urbanization? Growth of cities and towns. What is industrialization? Growth of industries. So these two are the basic reasons that has led to the environmental pollution. So dear students, now we are going to study about the types of pollution. You know, there are 4 types of pollution that we are going to study. First, you are going to study about the air pollution. Then, you are going to study about the water pollution, land pollution, and finally the noise pollution. Let's see what is air pollution. The mixing of harmful gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and other particles such as smoke and dust in the air is called air pollution. Now, dear students, see, in this picture, you could be seeing the smoke coming out of the industries. When too much of smoke comes into the industries, it gets mixed with the environment, the fresh, clean environment, and releases some carbon monoxide or some other dangerous gases into the atmosphere. And this causes the air pollution. Dear students, do you know there are natural activities as well as human activities that cause air pollution? So dear students, the natural activities that cause the pollution are sandstorms and cyclones, forest fires and volcanoes, pollens from the flowers. And the human activities that cause pollution are smoke let out by the vehicles in factories, and even you could be saying the burning of fuels and firecrackers, spraying of pesticides, insecticides, and the chemical fertilizers. Let's see with the help of this. Human effects. Now we talk about the effects of this thing. Effects are the diseases. Many skin diseases due to air pollution. What are the environmental effects? Do you know acid rain is caused? There is a haze there. Wildlife is affected, ozone layer depletion, crop and forest damage, and global climate change. These are the effects that occur due to the excessive air pollution. Now, dear students, we do the effects in detail. Air pollution causes serious health problems such as breathing problems, it can lead to asthma as well, irritation in the eyes, headaches, and even the skin allergy. It depletes the ozone layer present in the atmosphere. And the pollutants in the air also have bad effects on the monuments and buildings. Do you know that Taj Mahal, it's made up of white marble, right? But due to the air pollution, the color had changed. And that is only due to the air pollution. The pollutants in the air also have bad effects on monuments and buildings, especially those made with marble. They change the color of the marbles. And the most serious effect is the global warming, which results in climate change. See the emission coming out from the vehicles, and when this emission is coming out from the vehicles, the smoke coming out, it leads to haze. It leads to the serious problems like asthma and all in the people. Dear students, so what should be the conclusion and recommendation? Air pollution has long been a serious problem in the world, and without air, good air quality, Earth would be unable to sustain the life. You know it very well. हमें ऑक्सीजन कहाँ से मिलता है? हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर से मिलता है. और अगर हमारे प्लांट्स डिप्लीट हो गए, अगर हमारा एनवायरनमेंट के अंदर ओजोन डिप्लीशन हो गई, तो ऑब्वियसली वी वोंट बी गेटिंग द गुड एयर, गुड क्वालिटी एयर. अगर एयर ही नहीं मिलेगी तो हाउ कैन योर लाइफ सस्टेन? सो यू शुड स्प्रेड द वर्ड दैट सेव द अर्थ. Don't pollute. Don't go for the air pollution. Let's see one more point. Some effects that lead to the climate change. When there is a climatic change, there is a rising temperature. There are more and worse storms, more and worse forest fires. This is one of the cause of air pollution. More animal extinctions. What do you understand by extinction? जो birds हमें पहले मिलते थे, अब उनकी जो breeds हैं, उनकी जो varieties हैं, you won't be getting that because वो extinct हो गए. Heat cramps, heat exhaustations, heat strokes would be increasing. More and worse droughts would be there. More illnesses related to heat. Rising sea levels would be there. And lot many economic losses would be there. So these are the effects that occur due to the climatic change when the ozone layer depletes. So always spread the word, no air pollution. Now dear students, we come to the next topic, and this is water pollution. Do you know what is water pollution? Water pollution is a contamination of water bodies and lakes, rivers, oceans, then aquifers and the groundwater. Water pollution occurs when pollutants are directly or indirectly discharged into water bodies without adequate treatment to remove them. मतलब we are discharging the water into the good water bodies, into the water bodies with fresh water. So obviously we do not have the places to discharge this dirty water. But the water pollution is caused by marine dumping. What do we do? In bigger seas and all, we dump all the garbage, right? Industrial waste is being thrown into the water bodies. Sewage water is thrown into the water bodies, mainly from the households. Nuclear waste is thrown here. Oil pollution, right? Oil is being released into the water bodies. Underground storage leaks. When we have the underground tanks here, then there is a leakage from there that get mixed with the fresh groundwater, and it leads to water pollution. But you should be knowing what are the effects of water pollution. It can cause the diseases like cholera, malaria. It can lead to the diseases like typhoid also. Aquatic life also gets destroyed. Now dear students, this is the water pollution. When the garbage is thrown into the river bodies or into the sea life, then this is an effect that occurs. See the industrial waste thrown into the water. So let's see the effects now. Polluted water contains the germs that can cause diseases such as jaundice, typhoid, cholera, hepatitis. These are all the waterborne diseases caused due to the viruses. Water pollutants even affects the marine life. Marine life means it affects the fish, it affects the other animals that live in the sea water. Polluted water cannot be used for domestic purpose such as drinking and cooking. So we cannot use this polluted water for cooking and for drinking. Now, bache, let's see the land pollution. Now, do you know what is land pollution? Land pollution, in the other words, also means soil pollution. It means degradation or destruction of earth's surface and soil directly or indirectly as a result of human activities, right? So you should be remembering land pollution is generally due to the human activities. Let's see what are the causes. But at times when you go around, you could be seeing heaps of garbage. When you see heaps of garbage, have you ever thought where they are dumped? They are the dumping grounds जहाँ पर इनको dump किया जाता है. But in one way or the other, इतना बड़ा area हमारे को चाहिए इन सारे garbage को dump करने के लिए. So it requires what? Deforestation. Even soil erosion at times. Agricultural activities के अंदर हम लोग यहाँ पर अब बहुत ज़्यादा effects आ जाते हैं. Some mining activities, overcrowdedness, landfills is there, industrialization, construction activities. These all are the causes of land pollution. So what are the effects here? When I talk about the effects, बच्चे, it is soil pollution. Soil gets polluted because इतना ज़्यादा जब हम dump करेंगे garbage को, तो obviously the soil is polluted. Change in climatic patterns. अभी मैंने आपको बताया climate pattern किस तरह से change होता है. Environmental impact. बच्चे कई बार तो इन जो garbage grounds होते हैं ना, जो dumping grounds होते हैं, जब हम इनके अंदर like we actually have to burn the waste. जब हम इनको burn करते हैं, बहुत सारी poisonous gases are generated, and these poisonous gases has a big environmental impact. It even impact on the human health. So again, it can lead to air pollution. Once air pollution is there, again all the diseases that is caused due to the air pollution is aggravated, increased. Next is distraction of the tourist. You know it very well. At times, अब tourism भी हमारी country में अच्छा नहीं होगा. वो कहेंगे यार India is not a clean country. So why should we go? Because whenever the tourists want to come, they want to come to a very clean, neat and clean country where they can explore. But what are they going to explore if there is like garbage all around? They're not going to explore the good things then. So, bache, these are the impact of the land pollution. Let's see once again what are the causes of soil pollution in detail. Again, I told you seepage from a landfill, discharge of industrial waste into the soil, yes. Percolation of contaminated water into the soil, again, it's a kind of a water pollution leading to soil pollution. Rupture of underground storage tanks, again, अब storage tank अगर हमारा rupture हो जाता है तो उससे जो dirty water होता है that seeped into the ground, again leading to soil pollution. So बच्चे, all these pollutions are interrelated in one way or the other. Again, excess application of pesticides, herbicides or fertilizers. Even the solid waste seepage into the body. Deforestation and soil erosion. Now, bache, let's see. So, when the quality of soil is damaged and it becomes harmful for the plants and animals, it is called soil pollution. You know what are the causes here? Excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides on agricultural land over a long period of time. Dumping of non-biodegradable household and industrial waste. बच्चे, एक तो होता है बायोडिग्रेडेबल जो कि जल्दी से डिज़ोल्व हो जाता है, ख़त्म हो जाता है. एक होता है नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल जो अपने आप से ख़त्म नहीं होता, इसको करना पड़ता है. लाइक प्लास्टिक्स आर नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट, राइट? So glass bottles, metal chips, containers, plastic bags. जब हम इन सबको डंप करते हैं, it causes land pollution. Now, what are the impacts? When I talk about the impacts, pesticides and insecticides harm the organisms present in the soil. Excessive use of chemical diseases decreases the fertility of the soil also after a long period of time. No matter chemicals को हम लोग increase करते हैं किसके लिए? So that हमारे लिए ये बहुत मतलब they would be helpful, हमारी growth crop की बढ़ेगी, but indirectly जब हम लोग chemicals वाला food खाते हैं बच्चे, it is going to harm us only, going to lead to many diseases. Cancer is one of the reasons why it is widespread, because हम जो vegetables intake कर रहे हैं, हम जो चीज़ें खा रहे हैं, that is all made up of the chemicals. Like not made up of chemicals, that has some impact of chemicals in it. So increased pollutants in the soil are harmful to the growth of crops, which further affect our health. So बच्चे, I hope even the soil pollution is clear to you. Now, we talk about the last type of pollution, and that is a noise pollution. The noise pollution is defined as unwanted sound which is released into the environment. बच्चे कई बार एक unwanted sound होती है जो कि environment में release हो जाती है. Clear? Now you should be remembering that noise pollution is caused by traffic noise, aircrafts, noise from construction and civil engineering works, noise from industries, noise from many other sources. Do remember, it disrupts the activity or balance not only of humans but also our animal life. But noise pollution affects the hearing loss. It leads to hearing loss. At times, too much of loud noise, बच्चे, it can lead to hearing disorders. It can make you turn deaf. High blood pressure, एकदम बीपी की प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है ड्यू टू बहुत नॉइज़ है. आपको एकदम uneasiness फील होना शुरू हो जाता है. There can be a stress kind of a problem. Then there can be the sleep disturbances. Obviously, if whole night the horns are going to be blown, if the whole night big loudspeakers are going to be blown, what is going to be there? You won't be able to sleep. And it can even lead to some color blindness. So, bache, let's go in detail. Heavy industries, motor vehicles, then production units, metal products, printing presses, and textile industries can cause noise pollution. Loud sounds of horns in traffic, on the roads and aircrafts also lead to noise pollution. What are the effects, dear student? Loud noise can lead to the loss of hearing. It can lead to your loss of hearing. Sudden increase in noise can have an adverse impact on the heart and blood pressure. I told you, you can have a BP problem, right? Blood pressure problem. You can have your stress, and stress level leads to heart diseases, right? Noise pollution and even cause insomnia. What is insomnia? Lack of sleep, right? So, dear students, these are the effects that are due to the pollutions, the different types of pollutions. So what should we do? We should actually spread a word, save our Mother Earth, no pollution. So let's together join our hands to save our Mother Earth. Thank you.